Hey guys, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about Kaspa. Kaspa is actually developing faster than Bitcoin, and we're going to talk about why that is and take a look at some of the technicals here in the Kaspa video. So we're going to jump into it, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. I love Kaspa. I think Kaspa is a very good project. I think that it has a ton of potential still left in it, and it's one that I'm going to continue to hold for a while. But crypto analyst Micro also believes this as well. He's talking about similarities between Bitcoin's early hash rate growth and that of Kaspa. So Kaspa's hash rate is increasing at a faster pace than Bitcoin's did in its early years. So what does that really mean? Well, Kaspa has reached the 1 exastash per second milestone in just 3 years. Bitcoin actually took 7 years to reach that. The tokenomics of both cryptos, difference in their halving schedules, and how these might impact their future growth. So Kaspa has an annual halving schedule where Bitcoin has a one every 4 years, basically is how that goes. So Kaspa's hash rate looks exactly like early Bitcoin hash rate. During its early days, Bitcoin formed the same hash rate chart structure that Kaspa currency is at now. The road to 1 EH almost like exactly the same for both. Kaspa just did it faster. But here's what's actually mind-blowing. He goes in to talk about a few things. Rapid progress in reaching 1 EH, we're going to call it. So milestone Bitcoin achieved in 2016, but that was 7 years after it started mining. Kaspa managed to reach that same level in just 3, suggesting a much faster rate of development. This accelerated time is done by design. So Kaspa follows the hash rate chart structure identical to Bitcoin, although reaching its milestones 4 times faster because of the accelerated halving schedules. Kaspa shares several key similarities with Bitcoin, though, including both following a power law in their log chart structures and having major Bitcoin miners showing interest in Kaspa. We know that since the last halving, Kaspa miners have been drawn in. Bitcoin miners have been drawn to Kaspa because of its ability to mine. They might not be making as much money right now as they might have been with Bitcoin, but Kaspa, obviously, they can stack Kaspa and wait for the price basically to appreciate. Current Kaspa hash rate is significantly lower than Bitcoin's, which is about 600 times lower, easier to mine, right? So Kaspa's current market cap of $4 billion, the crypto may still be in its early stages. I think so. I think it is. We even go back and look at the chart and see how early this thing is and how there's a ton of room for development here in Kaspa. We still have a ton of things that they're working on in the development side of things, or say like their developers are working on. And we also have, less exposure to tier 1 exchanges, which equals less exposures to, investors in crypto, right? With the hash rate expected to increase exponentially, some speculate Kaspa has plenty of room to grow. I do believe that. I think Kaspa is going to be a pretty big player. Some of the largest Bitcoin miners have already begun mining Kaspa, and comparisons between the two coins extend to more than just technical factors, touching on broader market behaviors as well. So it's not just technicals, it also the way that they behave in the market when things are obviously up and down. It's a very, very similar. We can see here Kaspa is just sitting under 15 cents, up 283% this last year. So this is the year chart on Kaspa. You guys can see that there on the screen. So this is, let's go take a look at all. It's not a whole heck of a lot different. Obviously, Kaspa just starting out back here. It hasn't been around for very long, but it is definitely making waves in the crypto community. So take a look. Let's take a look at the last 7 days here. It's down about 5.5%, roughly. That's pretty, it's holding itself pretty well, in my opinion. Volume down about 14%. It's, I think it's actually weathering the storm fairly well. I forgot to share my tab. Sorry about that, guys. So you can see here, this is, go back here. So this is the year chart, obviously. I hit the year, so it's the year chart. And we go back and take a look at all. So, it's looking very, very primed, in my opinion. The last 7 days has been, has been pretty stable in terms of, against some other cryptocurrencies out there. So, I think that, I think Kaspa is still very, very early. I think that this thing is going to be massive, already in the top 20 of cryptocurrencies. And, it's continuing to just kind of, make its way and prove that it is here to stay. So that's basically what I got for you guys in this video. I'm super bullish on Kaspa. None of this is financial advice whatsoever, so please do your own due diligence and make up your own mind. Invest your money as you so choose, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.